go.
Yeah.
So you're telling me that front wheel drive makes you dizzy?
Not me, because I'm driving.
You're a passenger.
I'll take you out. Let me drive front wheel drive.
No, you just look at the road, Tony.
Yeah, I'll look at the road, and then you tell me when I get done.
Let me drive. Oh, no, all right. Oh, Tony! Tony!
Hold on.
We're getting ready. Sean's gonna take us out on a bit of an adventure.
Try not to break shit.
We're gonna go try to find some bears.
No alligators, no alligators, no gators. But the best part about, I think, this right now, I know this is sort of silly, but look at these leaves. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. I don't get that in Florida because the leaves don't change colors. It just stays green all year round. But yeah, we're gonna grab some coffee and then we're gonna go up to the mountain. So the next time you see us, we will be at a higher elevation. Let's go. Oh my God, what a drive up here. This spot is absolutely gorgeous and I'm having a heart attack the entire way up here. Fuck you, Lon. Oh God, it's so pretty. Dude, did you see the clip? There's no rails up here, dude.
No.
There's no rails.
We're off the rails, baby.
We're off the rails.
Off the rails.
Wow. Oh man, we're gonna fly down these cliffs. I'm gonna fly down that, probably lose something into the water.
The whole way. Just widen
We
up
got
the
the
paint
dock.
all the way.
Absolutely.
Got the lawn.
I'm like, dude, I used to
We got
live in
Kelly
here.
that doesn't look like Kelly. Kelly looking frigid. The whole gang is here.
Try that in the winter time.
All right, let's get some drones in the air.
Florida.
So far, it's very, very pretty. The colors look gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I was a little concerned about these power lines, though.
They flew here yesterday. Chris and Kelly loved it.
I was thinking to myself, I'm like, oh, if I have to punch out, I was gonna hit a line.
I have some that I'm drinking.
Tony's sick. He got sick after putting the goggles on. So just give him a second to.
Okay.
You know what it is? Being as high as we were, I was getting lightheaded. Tony was like really lightheaded. Yeah, drink some water. You gotta drink a lot of water.
Yeah, man. Were you not drinking lots before you came up here?
I didn't drink anything.
Water.
Yeah,
you gotta hydrate.
The week before you come up here, you gotta double your.
I doubled my
whatever your
intake of beer.
Is supposed to be.
No, this is gorgeous. This is. I said we should have changed the name from Spin Down to Drone Camp.
Drone camp.
Drone Camp.
Yeah, have a seat, man.
Just sit down on that rock.
Find a rock and sit down.
All right, let's pop this trunk. day. We got Mr. 10 Toes.
Hello.
You know why they call him 10 Toes? Because he has 10 toes.
I do have 10 toes.
I got my tripod, and
What's
sheet.
going on?
Mr. Sellemeyer. Whew. Looking like a good event so far. It is a very, very windy day. More windy. It's more windy down here, away from the mountains. We were in like this valley before, and it wasn't that bad. It's pretty windy here. The gusts are pretty bad, but you cannot beat the scenery. Oh shit, this is gorgeous.
Sun is warm.
All right, so we want
There's
lower
a
cataract.
gentle breeze. All the birds are making homes inside the evergreens. The air is clear with our loved ones close. You can pick out every star without a telescope. So beautiful to see how we have changed. In time, you know, everything we've lost comes on again, and I will grab onto your arm a little stronger than we were before. I've missed your face. Has it been that long? Looking forward to a fire and a sing-along. Let's stay the same as the children grow, and teach them all the simple things we thought we used to know. So beautiful to see how we have changed. In time, you know, everything we've lost comes on again, and I will grab onto your arm a little stronger than we were before. In a world, in a day, we are all brand new, and it's love that we're fighting for. I'm proud, you know, that we always held out hope. So if you grab onto my arm, let's take a walk until the sun gets warm. In time, you
All right, that was a good, fun spot to fly. This was pretty cool little cliff overhang. Really, really colorful. The fall colors are really starting to show. Using the anamorphic lens on the Mavic Air 2 from Freewell. I know I haven't really talked about that lens much, but I really think it adds a special dynamic to your edits. So if you're interested, there will be a link below where you can check it out. You do have to post-process it, meaning that you do have to do what they call de-squeezing, and that allows you to get that anamorphic view and get a really nice wide landscape. And out here, this is the perfect spot to use that lens. Mavic Air 2 anamorphic lens. I didn't get any like lens flares, I don't think, but that's okay.
Hey, y'all. What, bro? Oh my God. This fucking guy.
We all drink, you know that, right?
Fucking
My mama put Colt 45 in my bottle when I was a baby.
Yo, look at that pull off there, dude.
This is cool right here. How about pull off here?
Can we fly here? Is this a national
Well,
park?
do you see
Oh
a
wait, no,
sign?
it's private property. That's right. Just get the fuck out of here. Fuck it.
Who says it's private property?
Remember the sign said it, dude. When we were coming
Dude,
in.
stay close to your fucking property.
I am. Don't be looking down.